Is rent to rent too much work? Is your 9 to 5 too much work? Hey, are your kids too much work? And while we're at it, is life just too much work? I'm sorry, but you're asking the wrong question. The real question is it all worth it? Because if I was to say to you, you'll be able to quit your job, sack your boss, not have the stress of a career that maybe you don't really connect with, spend more time with your family and your friends, work remotely from anywhere in the world. Hey, some days I just work from home, in my dressing gown, relaxing, doing nothing, okay? Would you be willing to do what it takes? Would you be willing to put the work in? Because I think the answer to that's probably yes. So don't let hard work scare you off, because if it was easy, everybody would be doing it. And in my life, every time I've consistently put the work in, I've been successful. And to the same degree, every time I've quit, when it's not working, after 6 weeks, after 3 months, or maybe had a break, or maybe, had a few setbacks and just stopped, I've always failed. So the first thing is have a strong why. Like, why do you want to do it? And if it's a serious why, then apply yourself. Don't be scared of hard work. The second thing for me was the fact that I'm young, I'm fit, I love business, I love property. So, I don't want to retire right now and just sit down and do nothing. I'll go crazy. So I would rather be working and putting time in and building a business. And the third thing is, look, at the end of the day, this is bigger than you. This is about not only putting your seatbelt on, but helping family members. My mum got made redundant during COVID. She works with me. My missus had a really stressful job. She works with me. I've got friends, best friends, that now have quit their job and they work with me. And that is the best feeling in the world. Like having a team of people. I'm not the boss. We're just all friends, having a good time, building something special, earning money together, whilst helping landlords and working with agents and tenants and putting on a good service. So pull up your socks, lace your boots up and get stuck in. Don't be scared of the work, because I promise you it is worth it. But you need to make sure that you're working smart, okay? So make sure you get educated. Check out the tens of videos on this channel to strategize so that you're working smartly, and then just get consistent and you'll smash it. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.